Guys, for the whole of this video, you will keep on hearing me saying LLC, LLC, LLC. Okay, instead of taking it as LLC, take it as an PTY LTD. PTY LTD. So wherever I say LLC, you know that I mean PTY LTD. Alright, I prefer using the word LLC because, well, it makes more sense and it's less intimidating. So I didn't want to bother people with bombastic, proprietary, blah, blah, blah. That sounds so aggressive, but it's not. So I didn't want to bother you with that bombastic word that we use or term that we use here in South Africa. While LLC sounds so much easy. Yes, LLC and PTY are 99.9% the same. There's only a slight difference. But everything that I say on this video is from SA and it's on PTY LTD. Enjoy the rest of your video. Hi traders, what's good? On today's video, I'm giving you 5 rules that your LLC must follow. Firstly, to trade as a business, you must first register yourself as a company under LLC. You can do that by using the registration website called CIPC online, and it's cost about 175 Rand to register a business. What does it mean to trade as a business? Well, kindly watch the previous video. It will be linked on the description box, whereby I elaborated more about what does it mean to trade as a business. On today's video, I'm giving you 5 rules that your LLC, your business, must follow. But what is LLC? LLC simply refers to limited liability company. That is what you do when you are registering yourself as a company under CIPC. You are registering yourself as a limited liability company and turning yourself into a PTY LTD, which stands for Proprietary Limited. LLC is a private limited company which comes with a handful of benefits which can be very useful for traders. Number 1 is registration. To trade as a company or as a business, you must make sure that you are registered, and you are registered under CIPC. CIPC is a South African governing body responsible for company registrations. The second rule that you need to follow if you are trading under LLC is tax compliances. You or your business needs to register for tax compliance services under South African Revenue Service and comply with all tax obligations, including paying taxes on profits made and employee tax deductions. Number 3, your LLC must comply with all labor laws when it comes to wages, contracts, working conditions, employee benefits like UIF, and so forth. But don't get yourself wound up onto this one. This is something that you should know and you should start doing or preparing yourself for, since now it's just you as a trader. Yourself is something that you can find out more about and slowly but surely get yourself comfortable and familiar with doing it before you employ other people and get a team to help you and you don't even know what you need to do or the legal implications of hiring people, hiring staff, and things that you need to do for your staff, or legal things that you need to do as you are hiring staff and adding people to your business. So it's something that you should look into and start doing for yourself as you are employed. I hope you know that if you are trading as a business, you need also to employ yourself so that you can pay yourself salary. So the first contracts that you will draw is the contracts of you as a business employing yourself as an individual, and you can just take it from there and find out how you go about preparing all these UIF benefits things to yourself. And when you are familiar enough with it, then you can know how to do it for other people, because it's something that you have done for yourself and you know how it works. Also, don't forget to seek legal advice when it comes to these things, so that you can do the right thing from the beginning. The fourth rule that your LLC needs to follow is the financial record keeping. You must maintain accurate and well-detailed financial records. You may need to see you will need to see a financial advisor to get this one right from the beginning, at least to walk you through how to do it, because you don't know how to do it yourself. Trust me, you need to get the right person to give you the right information, the right basic information of record keeping, and then you grow from there. In the later stages, you will still need your financial advisor to help you with other things when it comes to your record keeping. But at least when you know how to keep the records yourself, then you can there are some things that you can do it yourself, but you will still need to give to your financial advisor, at least to look if you have done everything right, and then keep those records. Your financial records will include your income, expenses, invoices, bank statements, and so forth. Bear in mind that SARS is coming for these documents at the end of the tax year. So you need to make sure that you documented everything accurately and it is well detailed, because it's very important for your overall business management. The fifth rule that your LLC needs to follow is the intellectual property. Protecting any intellectual property like trademarks, copyrights, or patents, which is a sole right to exclude others from making, selling, or using your services. Like this video that you are looking at right now is my invention, and you are not allowed to use it for your own benefits in any way, shape, or form. So you're actually protecting your services so that other people cannot sell your courses. Let's say maybe you decide on a later stage to sell a course, and then when you see other person who bought a course selling that same course, you can sue them because they are selling your invention. So it's very important that you do that so that you maintain a competitive edge. I know that I said I'm going to give you 5, but since you have watched this 5, it means that you are indeed learning something and enjoying this video. Therefore, I'm going to give you 3 more. So these are 8 rules that your LLC must follow in 2025, but please make sure that you like this video and you are subscribed to the channel. Hey guys, sorry to disturb your viewing, but guess what? I'm soon launching my VIP trading group. This is where I'll be helping beginner forex traders make money trading forex while they are still learning how to trade. Joining the VIP trading group is free of charge. All you have to do is open a trading account using only the link on my description box. Fund your account with at least a minimum of $100 so that we can start trading. Email me that when you are done and you'll be simply added into the group. The 6th rule that your LLC must follow is data protection. Your LLC must comply with the Protection of Personal Information Act. Number 7, your LLC must comply with your industry-specific regulations. So just because you are trading under LLC, it doesn't mean that you are excluded from the FSCA regulations or requirements. So even though you are trading under LLC, you must or you are compelled to comply with all the regulations under FSCA. The 8th rule is compliance with other laws. Your LLC must comply with various other laws such as health and safety laws, environmental laws, and labor laws. Thank you so much for watching. May the peace of God rule in your heart. I'll see you on the next video.